today is get stuff off my to-do list. Starting with the refrigerator and the freezer. And I might add the grocery haul onto this too. Zoe's out there picking her yard up. Last night we did a nap routine. Zoe after supper, Zoe done the dishes. Me, Theodore picked up the living room. Theo picked up his toys. I picked up the living room, hallway, and bathroom. And Theo vacuumed the living room and hallway and the bathroom. And you all, I think take like 30 minutes. But yeah, I'm super proud about that. It's getting easier. It's getting easier. Sure is. Sure is. And now I just need to put these dishes up. And Brodhead is out there cleaning his truck out because he has to get the tools out of his truck to take to work to put in another truck. I don't know. But so that's what he's doing. And then later on we gotta go to Walmart to get our grocery order, and we're gonna go watch Toy Story. First, it's not gonna be in that order, but then we're gonna go to Walking and Lowe's to get stuff for the poor, shark coins, stuff for the poor, because it's cheaper at Walking. Yeah, baby. But I need to come up with a system. That's what's always asking. Because, you know, money motivates them preteens, you know. And our Theodore, I had to say, hey, we gotta go to the Dollar Tree. Also found my spoon rest for the stove.
And I answered it. And they said hello. Look.
What? What? What am I looking at?
Right here.
You got a bruise on your booty cheek?
No. Right here. I fell on a bunch of rocks.
Oh, when?
At church.
The washer situation, you will hear it going. The water ain't stopping, but it does the whole cycle. I just have to turn the water off when it's done, and then I can turn it back on. So, yeah, it's okay. That was still greasy before. Still with you? Did he need a box for his toys too? Do you need a bag for more toys? Come and get it. Ooh.
I still have money left over from church.
Oh, do you? Yeah. How much?
Well, he gave me.
Where you at, Theo?
We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. All those years pass, now I know you. How the times can change and I get a little down, thinking about tomorrow.
I'm just trying to, I need to take it out and I guess I'll just wash it because it needs it. Don't know, it's pretty bad, needs it. So in this one, I've been putting sticks of butter in these, and it's been working out pretty good. This probably don't need to be in the food truck. It's vinegar. That can be in the pan. This is bacon grease. Another jar of bacon grease. Cheese. More cheese. So I need to make some homemade biscuits one day. Oh, some more bacon grease. Onion. Oh, I knew I had donuts left. I've been looking for these so far. I'm gonna have to put this on my grocery list, and the chicken one and the vegetable one on the next week, because I done made my grocery list. I done placed it. So okay, we'll wash these real quickly, wash that down, and then I'll put everything back in this way, instead of that way, I guess. I don't know you want. What? Did you get the back too with the seats on? Go do that, because Daddy's mowing back there too. Also gotta add water to the refrigerator. Water. I'm putting all this over here so I can wash these real quickly. put my Bible up so it won't get wet. The reason why I'm doing these once at a time so my sink will be full with vegetables. I'm gonna do this at least once a week. I know I said this every time, but this is how we all do it. We won't be doing like a deep clean on it, but we will be cleaning it. I don't know where he went. I don't know. Don't look at his truck on the job light. See if he's out. Okay, so that's that. I sucked for a couple nights ago. This is still good. So this I'm gonna warm up for supper. For supper for lunch, so they can have their pig. Also got some hamburger helper that I'm gonna warm up, and they can have the pig what they want. Let me go see who's outside. I'm actually just gonna leave this video and any leftovers or something I can just toast in there, but I don't think we have any. I don't think we have any. Just drop that, you all. Just drop that, y'all. this is the dog treats. That's country ham. We got it almost for $10, I think. Yeah, $10. It's country ham skins. This is what we've been giving them for treats here lately, because it's healthier than the store-bought treats. It's been working out pretty good. Oh, I should have dumped that out in the dang, David would have ate it. It'd be okay. It's what kids go through a phase. They eat the oranges on 2 days, and then you buy them the next week and they won't eat them at all. Yeah, I'm on this. I think I'm gonna do chicken and dumplings this week. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And you want, this was not a hit for the kids. They did not like them, but it's fine. So I think I'm just gonna wipe everything out. It'd be fine. It's not a big deal.
What's this juice? What is this?
That's Daddy's alcohol. So you can't have.
I'm tired.
What?
I said all this food that I'm tired.
Mommy's cleaning. You ready for lunch?
Yeah.
So you all gotta make lunch real quickly, so I'm kind of rushing.
Why do you take those things off to it? Oh, why do you take these things? Why do you take all those things off to it?
So I can wash them. I was gonna wash it all, but I have to make lunch. So.
You gotta add water in there.
I guess next week when I come back in here, I will take everything else out and wash it. And you all, that's somehow I can make that be quiet. I just don't know how. What's Daddy doing?
I don't know.
Where's he at?
She's somewhere.
Outside? Ow, what was my finger?
I'm sorry too, Dad.
Love you.
Love you.
So, have you got aggravated with that refrigerator? Yeah, me too. What are you doing? You hot?
I said here that I did it hot. I don't know why it's hot. I'll take these and these are white in this.
And the reason why I put them up here is so Theodore can't reach them. Because if he can reach them, he's gonna just take them and place them.
No, I can't, because I'm a little kid. I can't wash stuff. I'm a good kid, Mom. I can't wash stuff.
I know you're a good kid.
I'm really hungry.
I know, I'm getting ready to make food. I'm getting ready to warm some food up.
Okay.
I gotta put all this in, y'all. Didn't.
Your mom.
Love you.
I have juice.
Go have Daddy open it. Daddy will take it.
No. There's a taxi that's long inside. It's long. Mom, I have needed those videos on.
Oh, you can't have my phone.
I'm gonna do.
Okay, I'm missing a piece. Missing this bottom piece. It's here somewhere because I took it out. I know I did. I don't know where it is, but it's okay. It's okay. No big deal. Like I said, I found it. What?
Where are you?
I'm in the same place where you left me.
You know what this is?
What is it? Oh, it's cool.
But it takes out a pencil. It has the stickers. I got the stickers onto it. That's why. I'm gonna get my own dinosaur. Mom, so the Disney ones. Mom, so the Disney ones.
You did?
Yeah. Look. Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're both from Mary today.
They both married to get off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Mom, you do dinosaur pencil with this one.
Yeah.
Let's try it. You do it! I did it! Mom, why did this dinosaur say out?
I don't know. Okay, you are. So, Brad and some couple of the guys that he works with went in half like this to try it. I possibly don't like it, but this is me. And they each got so many out of it.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over.
Now I need to wipe it down with some wipes that one of you beautiful people bought me. But folks, I gotta cook some food.
It's tastes bad. This to me too.
I think Mommy bought that.
No, the people wheelchair
I don't know.
this in me.
But anyway, I know this is gonna be a short video. Probably will add the grocery haul onto this. If not, it'll be in the next video. But you all down in the water. If I don't see you back in the grocery haul, I will see you in the next video. Okay, we just got back, and Zoe wants to do a haul that she got from Big Lots for her bedroom. She's gonna go put this stuff up, and when we get her bedroom all situated, this stuff's gonna go in her bedroom.
I need to hide
Why do you need to hide it?
this.
Well, you can show them that. One thing she's gonna go on and use. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around.
I am gonna say this. I bought this for my own money.
Yeah, she did buy this with her own money.
Okay. I am gonna say this. I did buy this with all my money. Okay, so first I got this. It's really comfy, and this is the thing that I'm gonna go ahead and use. And I got this lamp because I'm doing white, baby pink, and like a brownish kind of what is it?
Trim
Yeah, trim.
and
then
gold.
gold. So this is why I got this, and it was $14. And then, I got this, but it's not gonna go in the bathroom. It's just gonna be for the perfume and stuff, because I really don't have a lot of room for perfume. It's this like thingy. It's really cute.
It is super cute. She's not going to use it for the bathroom though. She's just going to hang it up on her wall for her perfume. It's pretty cute. I like the bowl.
And lotion, and it's $7. And the whole total with tax, it was like $35. Yeah, but that's all.
Okay. And then Dio. At Dio, we went to the Dollar Matter. And we also went to like a little thrift store. And this is what he got. We also got popcorn at the theater. We just got back from.
It was Toy Story popcorn.
Yep.
And this is he does it. There's a songs like that. Wait, there's a toy person.
Okay, go to the next one because I gotta go put groceries up.
What's that one?
I don't know.
And let's see like and something inside there. A bow like that. A towel on that. And a seat by that.
Did you get one little thing that went on World Cup from the theater?
Yeah. It's in there. So you see.
Also got a little cup from the theater. The cup's out inside, and this was on top of it. What was his name, Zoe?
It is
Smarty Pants.
Smarty Pants. Smarty Pants was in a movie.
Yeah, this is the only character they have left. They didn't have Woody or Buzz or nothing like that. This is the only one they have left.
Not Daisy too, and not the horse too.
That's his little haul that he got.
Because this popcorn's Daddy's ate, Zoe's and yours.
Yeah, because you got your own popcorn, didn't you?
Yeah,
okay,
I did my
so now let's move to the grocery haul, you all. I can't remember how much this was because we went inside and we did a delivery.
Wait, can I show them something that's something else like what?
Yeah. So I'm just going to put you on the tripod and put the groceries up when I show you all, because you all, I don't have time to sit here and organize them and show you all. Maybe in the future, just not right now, because I really want to go to bed.
I kind of forgot one thing. So while she does that, I'm gonna show you. I got this dumpling from Mighty Dollar. Stop. And I got it's a bow dumpling, but it's not really. That's very sad. But yeah. And then I got this steak Mito, and it's a bunny. They had butter and other stuff, and I also bought this with my money.
Alright, so Zoe's gonna help me put stuff up. Zoe just goes in the snack stuff, okay?
Because it's mine.
Zoe got sunflower seeds. You want, when I get my sunflowers, when they burn and get ready, I'm gonna be doing this. We'll send some sunflower seeds, because it'd be a lot cheaper.
This is only $2.
But still, you have a lot. Okay, then we got carrots for snacks and for cooking. Yeah, Theodore likes
I
carrots.
don't like it. Disgusting. Carrots are not disgusting, so
Carrots is like one of Theodore's favorite. And then we got strawberries.
Yeah,
They smell really good too.
Yeah, I already ate one.
I will have to wash them though.
I already ate one.
And then Blackfoot got some beef jerky. Well, they already ain't beef jerky. They like the beef sticks. Can you put that in the snack stuff? And then I guess Zoe threw in some gummy stuff that I didn't know about.
That's that I can get it.
Oh, okay. Then goldfish.
That's Theo's.
And then you all, like I said, these things are amazing.
I have
Amazing.
a whole bag in it.
Yeah, no, that has to go in the snack thingy.
What's the snack thing? Oh, that's...
And then, of course, Lunchables. Can you put that in the...
Those waterballs are my favorite.
I think, how many is that? I think we got 6
1,
Lunchables.
2, 3, 4,
And then we got cheese.
5, 6. This is how wide
And then we got more cheese. More cheese. I'm making pasta salad. And they didn't have the crew cheese. So I was like, well, I'm just going to get this. They didn't have the cube cheese. And I'm just going to cut them in half. Cut them in pattern and squares. And plus, we also will have something to snack on. Hey,
Where do you want to put this?
In the cheese jar.
This is a cheese jar?
Yeah, that's the meat and cheese jar now.
Is Lunchables in it too?
It don't matter.
There's no room.
And then we got gravy mix. Because Miss Dang don't like my homemade gravy.
I don't. It's nasty.
And last we got... What if we'll... It's for the weed eater.
I know what it is.
What is it?
You put it on the weed eater, where it can cut grass.
Yeah.
I'm smart.
You are smart. And then Zoe and Theo got ducks. Here, Theo.
I'm gonna duck a Jeep tomorrow.
There's someone at the lake.
I duck.
And then we got hamburger buns. We got biscuits. Gonna do gravy and biscuits. And probably eggs and bacon tomorrow.
Yay. Where do you want this? Just right here?
Yeah. We got pepperoni, so I can do pasta salad.
Or just me snacking on it?
Or we can just snack on it. I got peppers, so for the pasta salad. I'm super excited for my peppers to be ready out in the garden. Just save some money. We got celery, so they can snack on.
Wait, did you get the ranch?
I didn't get the ranch powder. I'll probably do a small grocery order this week, so. And these are black fruits. We also, what is not shown here, we got a case of water, a watermelon, and Brad 2 things of Coca-Cola, the 6 packs of 20 ounce, so he can take the vote. That is in the vehicle. We did not get out right now. We'll get that out in the morning. We got bowl noodles for the pasta salad. We got these because
so
Zoe and Theo really like them.
They're good.
I think we have to do that for lunch. We got ketchup because we needed ketchup. That is not. We got. But then I had some mayonnaise, peanut butter.
I don't think we've ever had that peanut butter in there before. Like for
I got jelly.
a very long time.
So I was gonna do peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but I don't think we got peanut butter.
white jelly sandwiches.
We got sloppy joes because I'm gonna have sloppy joes sometime this week.
We can put that in.
I wonder how it tastes with cookie butter.
It probably tastes good.
I don't like cookie butter though. It's too sweet to me.
It is kind of sweet, but if you're hungry, I'll eat it.
If you're hungry, you act like you're so hungry.
Because I am hungry.
Barbecue sauce.
I'm always hungry.
That's very true. That's very true. She does stay hungry.
And how this sauce is
We got a salad, pasta salad. Yeah. We're gonna have tacos one night. We're gonna do chili dogs one night.
Should have got one.
Okay, these pretty good. Before we do this one night for lunch, probably tomorrow. Here's celery, broccoli,
Oh, oopsie.
You all, we know the sink for dishes. I need to do them.
I'll do them. I want to get paid. Oh, I don't get paid.
Dr. Pepper for Miss Stain in now.
Dad?
Is Dad a Miss Stain?
Oh,
Milk.
Pepper. So oh, that hurted. What do you get?
Donuts for me.
Yes, sir.
Or whoever wants to eat them.
Oh, that's not.
Okay, my big bowl of popsicles.
Yay!
We already have ice cream in there, so I don't need that, but we just need it. Some more popsicles.
I've never tried them.
I know, that's why I tried. That's why I got them.
I really like these ones. They're so good.
These?
Yes. They at church camp they had big ones.
Did they? And these was on sale actually. These was like $2, so they wasn't expensive for 12 of them. Okay, go put them on. These are really good if you will have to try them. Bacon. Can you put that in the meat pot? Oreos. Oh, I wasn't talking about these. Well, I don't like the Great Value nacho cheese, whatever. But we're having taco salad, so I'm not paying.
I thought you didn't get them for me. I said I didn't want them.
These are mine.
Oh.
I'm not paying $7 for nachos, the Doritos. These are really good. Okay, here, take them over there. And here's the cookies too. And then, of course, Mr. Theodore's cheese puffs.
Yes!
That's like a weekly buy like that, okay? And then we got some more chips. Some more chips. And then we got some potatoes. We got some toilet paper. And
Pizza.
we got 2 Great Value.
It has a cheese crust.
Yeah.
Yes!
We got 2 stuffed cheese curds, Great Value pizzas. I'll put them in the deep freezer. And last but not least, we got the juice. You are.
And what's those?
And that is the grocery haul for this week. Well, meal plan is hot dogs.
Can I make mac and cheese? I'm hungry.
No, we're going to bed. You can have a snack.
What is a snack?
We just got done eating supper.
No, that was like right before we went to the movie theater.
Okay, so we are having chili dogs, cheeseburgers, sloppy joes, pasta salad.
Ow!
What else? I don't know what else, but that's 4 meals for supper that we are having. I can't think what else I'm having. And plus sides, and plus for lunch we're gonna probably have the
Mac and cheese,
mac and cheese, pizza, the chicken stuff. I don't know. And we'll also have leftovers, so if we don't have something that night, we can eat leftovers like we did today for lunch. But we'll see you.
Wait. Oh, and so when I get paid for now on, I'm gonna be doing a haul because I'm going to Big Lots and I'm gonna get stuff for my room.
You do know they can't see you up.
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay.
But
But that's what she's gonna do with her money
I can't
when
help.
she gets paid for doing her chores. She's gonna put it up and go to Big Lots and get stuff.
Or like
in her
Five
bedroom.
Below.
Or Five Below.
Because Five Below has a lot of good stuff.
They do have some cute stuff.
no.
For her bedroom, she's gonna do like a whole makeover.
Oh
And she's super excited for it. Super excited for it, she is. But you all,
That's the.
we will see you in the next video. Hopefully this gets you,
you.
hold on. Hopefully this gets you motivated to get Wolf of Joy to clean or get something clean. And we will see you later. Bye.
Bye.